Take you to this wherever it is, and you get my ship started for me?
That is what I'm proposing.
Deal.
Yeah! And now some more cutscenes. And I think we're already in part 2. Yeah, 10 minutes.
This could be a problem. Take care of it.
Oh my god, who's that? We don't know. No, I don't.
Whoa,
Gonna
this is great!
spoil.
So that's where I've been stuck this whole time.
Please return your appendages to the steering mechanism, sir.
Huh? Oh, right. Sorry. Oh, and by the way, you can stop calling me sir.
Clank.
The name's
Go on.
Ratchet.
Pleased to make your acquaintance, sir.
You got a name?
My serial number is B54296.
Oops. I'll just call you Clank for short. Hang on.
So funny, yeah. And now we can make a nice landing on that planet.
So you see, it
No,
would
first
be
we're
most
gonna...
beneficial if your citizens were not in the city when my workers begin removing it.
Preposterous! I will not stand for this.
Unfortunately, you have no choice in the matter.
Let's just see what Captain Quark has to say about that, my good man. I don't see what's so funny. Captain Quark could dispatch you without even breaking a sweat, you puny.
You have now officially worn out your welcome and my patience.
This is your last chance. Stop this madness now!
Okay,
No, he
wait.
won't stop.
You're right.
Of course he won't stop, cause we're gonna kick his ass. Come on! I wanna play.
Try not to leave any marks.
Yeah. Gonna make a story run out of this, I think. Come on. And yeah, nice landing. Just boom.
Clank? Where are you? Oh, sorry about that. Well, we're not leaving the way we came in.
Perhaps we could procure a ship from one of the inhabitants.
If there are any left.
Yeah, I know. So, I think we're gonna go search some stuff. Yeah. Gatchatron. And 2,500. Oh, yeah. No. We don't gonna buy it. Of course, we can't buy it. Come. Find some money. Yeah. Come on, Ratchet.
Press the square button to dive
No.
and the X button to rise. Push the X button harder to rise more quickly.
So, run around. It's so easy. Go, jump, jump, jump. Whoa, don't shoot at me. Come on, I'm the good guy. Yeah. Hit your own buddies. Yeah, we can destroy it. And some of them, and... oh man. Yeah, bomb globe ammo, come on. So, now we're gonna go there. Come up. Yeah. No, not down, up, jump. And now what's down there? Some assholes. Nice sound. And we got... come on, I wanna have it. We can destroy that. Come on, money, money, money. I want the super cool weapons. Give it to me. here. Jump over there. And we're back, and we don't have enough. Just forget it. Die. Yeah. I like jump and runs. Do you like jump and runs? I like it so much. Come on, die. Die. So... Die. And... Yeah. No, don't hit me, asshole. Die. So, and about recording stuff, I want to do after Ratchet Clank, Crash Bandicoot 2. But that recording thing still won't work on it, on the old game, so I don't know, maybe I buy another one and hope that it works. Maybe a more expensive one and not this cheap one that I've got now. But we'll see. What the fuck? Die. Something down there. Nope, there. Come on, give it to me. Yeah, we got enough money for the, I think it's a flamethrower, and cutscene. Yeah, give it to me. So, come on, quick. Ratchet. The game is a little bit boring at the beginning. What the fuck? Don't kill me! I'm Ratchet. I don't want to die. Die. Nanotech, yeah. Come on, camera, turn around. And some more boxes. Oh no, don't fall down. Yeah. Maybe it's kind of boring seeing me just getting stuff. Maybe I'm gonna play in the next parts just levels again, or before I record the next parts, play the levels again that I got the money before. So I think it's kind of boring just seeing me walking around and destroying boxes. Die. Die. Yeah, amazing. Oh, fuck.
Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. Oh, what are you? Mercenaries? Torturers? Assassins? I'll tell you anything. Here, take my infobot. It's all I've got left.
Sir, we're not assassins.
Hold on. Let's see what he's got.
Yeah. Hold on.
Has this ever happened to you? Hi, I'm Captain Quark, and believe me, there's nothing worse than staring down a Blargian snagglebeast from the inside and knowing your equipment isn't functioning properly. That's why I come to Al's Robo Shack for all my electronic needs. Al has been the exclusive repair shop for my super electro gadgets since I was knee-high to a sand mouse. If Al can't fix it, it's not broke. Right, Al? You
Yeah.
said it, pal.